Your backyard is not just a sanctuary for relaxation and family time, it might also be home to several pests that pose serious risks to your health and safety. These uninvited guests range from the merely annoying to the downright dangerous, with some carrying diseases or being aggressive towards humans. Today, we delve into the world of these deadly pests, shedding light on their habits and how you can protect yourself. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Mosquitoes, the tiny vampires. Mosquitoes are perhaps the most infamous backyard pests, known for their irritating bites. But it's not just the itchiness that should concern you. Mosquitoes can transmit a variety of diseases, including Zika virus, West Nile virus, and malaria. They thrive in standing water, so eliminating such breeding grounds from your backyard is a crucial step in keeping them at bay. Ticks, the stealthy bloodsuckers. Ticks are another major threat, especially in wooded or grassy areas. These parasites latch onto humans and animals to feed on their blood, potentially transmitting Lyme disease and other serious conditions. Checking yourself, your children, and pets after spending time outdoors is essential for preventing tick-borne illnesses. Wasps and bees, the painful stingers. While bees play a crucial role in pollination and are generally harmless unless provoked, wasps can be more aggressive and are known to sting multiple times. For individuals with allergies, a sting can be life-threatening. Maintaining a safe distance from nests and consulting a professional for removal is advisable if you discover them on your property. Rodents, the unseen menace. Rodents, such as rats and mice, not only cause damage to your property but can also carry diseases like hantavirus and leptospirosis. Keeping your backyard clean and free of food waste is key to discouraging these pests from settling in. Safeguarding your sanctuary. To protect your backyard from these dangerous pests, regular maintenance is vital. This includes clearing out any standing water, keeping the grass trimmed, and sealing cracks and crevices where pests could enter. Additionally, using insect repellent and wearing protective clothing can help minimize the risk of bites and stings. By staying vigilant and taking proactive measures, you can ensure that your backyard remains a safe and enjoyable place for you and your loved ones. Awareness and prevention are your best defenses against the dangers posed by these hidden pests.